truth be told, I failed to pull the meat that I was gonna cook for you today out of the freezer, so yeah, bad planning on my part, guys. Guys, I went out this morning, got family here, and I grabbed some burger. I'm gonna make some bacon cheeseburgers. Come and join me. Alright guys, just to show you how I prep these, we don't do anything super fancy. I do got some burger balls here. They're a little bit bigger than normal. I don't really know how big. I'll throw a couple across here. One couple of them is bigger than the others. But I like to give them a pre-smash, just because it makes them kind of uniform, kind of homely here. And press these guys out. This is some 85-15 ground chuck. That's a nice little burger right there. Give them a pre-smash there. We'll just season one side here, season the other side on the grill. Alright, we're just going to season these up with just a little Montreal steak seasoning. I've moved it to a smaller container because frankly it's easier to pour. I will season the other side once we're on the grill. Give that a little pat in there. Guys, I just simply take these guys and cut out these patties, set them aside. Doesn't have to be pretty. We are ready for the grill. As you've seen, I got some bacon behind me. We're frying up there, and we're gonna get that on some burgers there here in just a little bit. It up. Alright guys, we got some kiddos here. We're gonna feed up some hot dogs. They don't want no burger. They want hot dogs. So we give them some hot dogs. This won't take long, then we get some burgers on here. Alright, I think we're back good here. Make everyone happy on that. Get these in and let's get the show on the road with what we come for. Okay, we might have to cycle these out, but let's get this thing on. Come back and do these other three here in a minute. Get some seasoning. Not using any wood tonight, just straight up burgers. Check back here in a minute. About halfway up. Give these guys a flip. Beautiful. Look at that, guys. Beautiful. Love what I see. Beautiful. And beautiful. We'll come back in a minute and pull these guys in direct. Alright guys, these ones here that I'm sure, yeah, we're good there. I'm gonna pull you a little indirect so we can make some room. This guy, I'm sure, oops, get off there. pull you indirect. These guys I'm gonna leave over here for just a few minutes longer. Yeah, we're looking good there though. I'm gonna get these other 3 burgers on here. Beautiful, guys. Check back in a few minutes. Pretty satisfied right here. I'm gonna pull this off, get some cheese on it, so they can get to eating inside some, while these others finish up. All right. Okay, let's get these guys flipped. Beautiful. And we'll get these off so that the others can get started. There. I'm satisfied with that. We'll be right back to finish up. Alright, guys. Get these off of here. Go indirect for a minute. Get some cheese on 2 of these. The other 2 will be my lunch tomorrow. Marvelous. We'll pull these here in just a minute and we'll go in and make us a burger. Alright guys, let's build this burger. We're going to come in here with our bottom bun. This is a nice looking brioche bun. One of our favorites around here. I love these things, guys. Not a whole lot of mayonnaise, but a little bit. Mayonnaise of your choice. I'm not showing you what I'm using on purpose. Come in here with our first cheeseburger. A couple pieces of bacon kind of broke up there. Actually, it's 1 piece of bacon that I've broken in half. Come in with our second burger. Would you look at that? Another piece of bacon right there. You know what, let's go with another one right there, just for fun. Just yellow mustard. That's how I like my bacon cheeseburgers, that's it. Yellow mustard right there. Pickles. One more for kicks and grins. And we'll top it there with our top bun. Let's get a taste of that monster. Hey guys, that is a monster. I've made this burger before. I don't know if I've made it for you though. If I have, I apologize for the duplicate. So, guys, let's get a bite of this thing. This thing is huge. That is one of my favorite ways to make a bacon cheeseburger, or a cheeseburger in general. Mustard only, or the mayonnaise on the bottom, mustard. Excuse me. On burgers, I'm kind of moving away from ketchup a lot. So, but the mustard and mayonnaise combination together goes really well. Guys, I love this, guys. Thank you so much. As always, yeah, I did not plan this as my original cook today. But this is what we come up with, and so far it's quite tasty. Oh, nothing like a good burger on the grill. So guys, thank you as always. Please hit that like button, subscribe to my channel if you have not already. That helps us out a lot. So guys, until the next time, I will see you on the next video. God bless you. Bye-bye.